Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Prius combination meter, easy method. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts, then remove the trim panels gently with a plastic pry tool. Keep fasteners organized and label connectors to speed reassembly. Take clear photos during disassembly so you can match harnesses and screws later. Work in a well-lit area and keep the replacement meter face up to protect the display and circuitry. In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Prius combination meter, easy method. Gather tools like a T20 Torx, Phillips, 10mm socket, and a plastic trim tool before you start. Verify the replacement unit matches part numbers or plug layouts, and keep small containers for screws and clips. A magnetic tray helps prevent lost hardware. Review connector shapes so each harness snaps back in correctly, and test fit the meter before final reassembly. In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Prius combination meter, easy method. Start by removing the steering column covers and lowering the wheel to reveal meter screws. Unscrew mounting bolts, pull the cluster forward, and identify each connector locking tab. Release tabs gently and wiggle connectors straight out to prevent bent pins. Label or photograph connectors as you remove them. Then place the old meter aside and prepare the new unit for installation by
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.